rolling.
Huh?
Jizzle rolling.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, Jizzle skate.
YouTube, what's good, bro? We done had a hiccup after hiccup after hiccup, bro. Man, shit been crazy. Shit, fuck that sun and shit. Shit been crazy, bro. No lie. Man, last night we had a hiccup. I was supposed to leave for Scrapin at 7, 8 o'clock this morning. Bro, it's finna be 12. We got the truck back right. But at first, we wasn't going, bro. Let me explain. So, y'all already know I put the wooden bed in and I wired up some bed lights, correct? Hooking up the toggle switch, shit happened. I'm tired, fresh off work, tired, bro. And shit went in the flame. Whoo! Smoked up. And it fucked up some of the fuses. And I'm tired, bro. Last night and shit happened, you know. But we got it right though, bro. That was a long story short. I'm gonna get in depth detail later on, but we got it back right, bro. Bully over there looking good, bro. Ready to get on the highway. Everybody else left, Kel, Frog, all them left. So I just wanted to give y'all a heads up, bro, what the fuck was going on. But we going though, bro. We still going, bro. We out there, we gonna be at Scrapin. It wasn't looking good at first. You know, we prayed on it last night. We got everything good and, you know, because everybody counting on them Woodville boys to go out here and make something happen, bro. We putting on for the city, bro. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to holler at y'all, give y'all some updates. I'm going to meet Mike and Cam in Baton Rouge, and we going to go through Hammond and all that shit, meet up with Jay, I guess. So, man, y'all just stay tuned, bro.
Okay, so yeah, we ain't really started the footage out on the highway. But we done made it to the coast. You see Bully done made it. We headed to the strip.
Stop it. Get some help.
We about to go show out. We ain't gonna go too hard. But yeah, we gonna pick y'all up when we get there.
We got my brother right here, bro. We out here, finally. Scraping the fucking coast, we finally out here.
Y'all finna be on top. We finna win that shit.
Yes, sir. D.I. on top, man. D.I. on top. Powder coat.
Powder coat the way.
That's purple holding.
No illusion violet.
Illusion violet.
No purple around here. You're always talking on that purple.
What is
I ain't gonna lie, that frame powder coated too. That bitch clean. Jesus Christ. Okay. For anybody that won't race, tell them pull the fuck up.
We're good.
On 26. Bitch clean, brother. Bitch clean, bro. Y'all ahead and plug your IG, snap everything, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You see it. You see it. You see it. You see it. But these 39s? What the fuck? 39s? That bitch big as hell, boy. How big it is?
2 inches, man. Not that
A
big.
2-inch fucking lift. Oh, some 33.
Another 28.
28? 20. Oh, they go dipping right here. KG1 Forge.
Just bought it. Bitch with 100 grand, you know, I got my pockets fat.
Yeah.
Bought this bitch, you know what I mean?
Just bought it.
Yeah.
What kind of wheels you? What kind of size wheels you on?
These, what size?
Yeah.
These are 22s.
22.
Yeah.
22 by 10.
No, negative 9.
Negative 9. Negative 9.
That's
Negative 9.
custom shit. These tires, don't know. Powder coated hot pink.
Yeah, yeah.
I got a leaf pack in the front.
Yeah, yeah.
Cost some money because I'm not a lineman. I mean, I'm a lineman. Spikes because I like it. Never mind.
Yeah.
Got me wheel lights up here.
RGB.
Yep. I ain't got no rock lights in my wheels
Yeah,
yet.
yeah.
But, I mean, got the bullet antenna.
Okay. Illuminated.
Yeah,
So what color wrap that is?
man, can't think of the color.
Hot pink.
No.
Illusion pink.
Blue jean, illusion, violet, purple, blue.
What?
I got a Reese hitch from O'Reilly's,
Okay.
and that's about it.
That's about it. That's
It
about
looks
it.
like a platinum, but it ain't a platinum. And it's a 2018 Chevy 3500 Ram. $12,000 lift right here.
They probably more than that, hold it.
I think, I don't know.
Look, that's air ride suspension. Look at the back. Look at the front. That's the inner level. That's the inner level lift. Oh shit! Hold
They
on.
got that secret motor up in there.
Oh my god.
Man, the barnacle motor right there.
Oh my god.
Same interior, the invisible.
That's the gas tank, dude.
Yeah. That bitch all the way in the back.
Oh yes.
Oh my. Detail.
That's detail.
They had a dude that can drove outside. Like that truck.
Let me get it.
Oh, yeah. Other than that, I mean, it wasn't. I've had it built for a while. Yeah.
They got the G body.
So we got the G body on
We
hydraulics.
got the G body on hydraulics, you know.
Yes. Go to the front. 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 Yeah.
Like what? That's that chrome. That's that chrome heart to match right
Yes.
there. It looks like it got a shift to it.
That motherfucker low to the ground.
On the ground.
That bitch on the ground.
Built. What he say? We built this. We built, not bought.
Like a dog. Built
Like
not
a
bought.
dog.
Look at that diamond leather.
Check out the airbrush work.
Yeah, that shit clean, bro. This shit so
boy.
clean, bro.
And he got the matching trunk on the back.
Ah.
Alright. What you say? Like a dog.
Like a dog. This shit brand new.
Yeah, this shit, like, they trailered this motherfucker.
Yeah, they tripped this
What the-
motherfucker.
Check the fucking oil filter. What you know about the oil filter sleeve, baby?
That shit clean.
That's hard. Detail.
This bitch had to been trailered here.
Detail. It has to be.
This bitch. Do it again. Shitting. Shitting.
Like a dog.
They shit. What kind of moms you like?
Hot moms. MILF. Certified.
Certified. Certified block boy member.
And you're a certified forklift driver.
Yeah,
Yes,
certified
sir.
forklift
Yes, sir.
driver.
Look.
I'm driving
And a
L250
certified
Platinum.
block boy member.
No.
I ain't certified.
You ain't certified?
Not certified forklift, but I can drive them.
This
a
ain't
dog.
cool enough.
I might have, you know, we had a rack maybe about 20 feet tall. I accidentally knocked down.
I can't
Blame
take
on
no
the
details.
That girl, that's Hillary Clinton.
Hillary Clinton.
Yeah, right here. And that?
Yeah,
That's Nancy Pelosi.
yeah,
Madonna.
yeah.
That might be Madonna. I don't know.
Yeah.
And all these bitches look the same to me.
Ain't gonna lie.
They might be the same.
That's detail, bro. That's detail like a motherfucker though. All right, bitch. There's your car. There's your car.
Yep.
Well, look, tell me about it. What you got? What you got? So what's the bag sit up in the back?
Hey, you asking the wrong question.
12 inches.
How? Okay, all the detail.
This is all handcrafted by the one and only.
You did that?
Yep.
Okay.
And a tattoo, I got you.
Half a clear. We got half a clear.
No, those are black headlights.
They black headlights. Work right here. You
It's
know.
all No, good. no.
He actually uses his truck. That's right.
Asian bud?
Oh.
Wise.
What's up, bro? What's that with? What's that with?
Nothing. Follow me on Snap, JB Morris 2004, Instagram, I forgot. Don't even get me started. I'll post some on my Facebook. Some bitch exactly like that.
Real?
Made my coochie wet.
Gay.
Look at that wooden bed. What's going on?
What's up, my
You done made it? You done made
I
it?
made it.
Ah, look at my auntie, my little cousin. What's going on? I'm sweating. What's that with the little cub?
Not a
Take
thing.
you.
No.
So how y'all enjoying surfing the coast?
It's good. It's good.
You gotta tap the
Check the
floor. Like, do
clearance.
that. Look,
Tap
yeah.
the floor. Tap the floor. Look at the clearance. Oh my goodness.
That ain't clearance, that's clearance.
C notch.
That looks good how it's rusted. That's perfect.
Hey, wash these
That's that custom candy paint
Yeah.
job.
Custom candy paint job.
Yellow tail light.
Discoloration.
Okay, well, it's a 2020 Tacoma.
Okay.
It's on a 12-inch bulletproof lift. Got a 42-inch Furies on 28 TIS forged wheels. Got Fab 4s front, rear bumpers, and the overland rack. And then we make P3 Billets, our company.
Okay.
We make the hooks, the shackles, the winch adapters. We make receiver steps.
Okay.
But yeah, the truck's got a custom hood. It's got custom interior.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Those are. Ooh. Ooh. What that feel like though?
It's leather, man. It's
Oh, that's good. Are those heated and cooled? It looks like they're perforated.
just a little spot, you know.
Clean. That's clean.
Nice.
That's clean.
Yeah.
That's clean,
nice.
bro.
Yeah,
That's
he
clean.
does.
That's how you follow a body line. Yes. That's how you follow a body
Yeah,
line.
he's good, man. His name's Gooch. He's right down there.
Right here?
in that
Okay,
black
cool.
board.
We're gonna holler at him.
Yeah, he's
That's
real good.
detailed.
He just freehand the whole thing.
Yeah. Most of this is winning. Spinning again. Because he is spinning. Yes, sir. And when you spin, and they are forced, you win. Yes. Oh yeah. Look, that's a 04.
No. So it's like a plunger effect. You put power to it, it pulls the plunger down, and it pretty much pulls the door handle. So like just like you see A, front door, B, rear door, C, back door.
No shit, bro.
And then
That's nice.
you in it. Just make sure you don't lose that.
Yeah.
You're in trouble. You're in trouble if you lose that.
But the question is, have you ever lost it before?
Once.
Yeah.
I locked the keys in the car. It was raining. I jumped out of the car. The keys was in it. The car was still running. I'm like,
So you drive this car? Like you drive?
sometimes. It's Sunday driver.
Hey,
Man,
yeah.
people on the road be crazy, and if they plowed into this, it might be a hot. Woo! I ain't putting that on record. But anyway.
I feel it. I like that.
Yeah, I don't
like
want
it. Good
nobody.
answer, good
I don't
answer.
want nobody to hit me. So I mean, I just drive it on Sunday. So
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
But yeah, it works just like the way you see it, and then it's all controlled by the iPad.
I saw that when
Yeah.
you hit the bag. I saw that.
Let me
Yeah.
see the bags. Let me see the bags again.
Let's see.
Yes, sir.
Hey,
And then you
that's
like,
real time too. There's no lagging
and
now.
TVs are all on. You turn them all off.
Oh man.
And if you want it blue on the outside, they go all blue.
Oh shit.
Strobe lights in there, just like you see it.
Bruh,
Yeah.
you got this motherfucker wide up, huh?
Yeah. So I don't know if I'm gonna get the angle right for y'all.
Wait a minute. What?
Hey, what this dude? Man,
Get out of here, bro. Get out of here,
get
bro.
out of here, bro.
Get out of here.
Hey, get out of here, dude.
Get out of here, bro.
Hey, get the fuck.
Is it good enough?
I see you was just bored, huh? You was bored, huh? You was bored, huh? You was bored, huh?
I don't know if I'm gonna get the angle right for you.
That sound like that too?
Yeah. What you see on one side, you see on the other.
Are you serious, dude?
Yeah, I just want to make sure I get the angle right for y'all. Yeah, that's why there's 20 in there.
Bruh.
I wasn't
How many
expecting
TVs he say you had it up?
20.
20. There's no cap. 20 fucking TVs.
20.
Yeah, you can count them all out. What you see on one side, you see on the other.
The rearview mirror got a TV in it too?
2 in there.
So you got 2 TVs in the rearview mirror. He ain't lying.
You didn't see these back here. Look
Back
right
where?
here. On the pillow. Come look behind the pillow, bro. There's a TV behind the pillow.
Dude, got
Here's one more.
You got TVs under the bottom of the car too?
So there's one in here. Is the angle right for you? It's up in the roof.
Do it again, do it again.
I don't know if I can get the
Oh yeah,
angle.
I see it.
It's not on though.
It's on, it's on.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah. It's on the roof.
It's clean, bro. I want to see it on the track though.
It might be out there.
How you enjoying yourself for your first scraping?
I'm tired now.
Oh, Lord.
I ain't even gonna lie to you.
Lord.
I'm
How your
not gonna
first
lie
scraping is?
It's alright. Yeah.
So how your first scraping the
Oh
coast?
my god.
How your first scraping the coast is?
It's good.
It's good? It's good?
All right, bet.
Hey, I see you flawless whipped out, bro. That's how you come? That's how you come?
Yes, sir. Always.
Top on top of top. So look here, you gonna show me this Jeep tonight, huh?
Come on, it's out there now. We can go now.
He tired right now.
You, bro. I got arrested last night.
You got a hold on. Hold on, Miss Up. That's how you coming, sir?
Oh, this is how I'm coming.
That's how you coming, sir?
Yeah, I got a 24s on 37 real quick. Yeah.
You lean back. You
Yeah.
ain't lean back enough.
It don't matter.
Yeah.
It's on a level. That's all it needs. Just a little level.
Uh-huh. Put me on there. Put me on there.
Hey, just